Anong barko siya? Galiyok siya, no?
Oh, dali ka no. Yes.
May mga nga barko good, pagka magmuna pang ang mga isda. Ka na baka namang huwag isda. Utang iring oh, nagkaroon kay Mina. Higda.
Uy, Mina! Nakulit-kulit! Tira!
Baho, no, baho.
One is Persian. And three same like that. Persian cat is I will show you my cat. I eat this Tuesday night time. Looks like Pokemon. I don't know. This one my cat. Nawala si Queenie. This one Queenie. Wala lang kita si
May sariling mundo si siya, no?
this one yeah, my cat.
One of them is white, one of them is black.
Oh, this one. Mimi, look my cat.
How did I predict it?
This one. Sexy.
How did I predict it?
The smallest one. This is at my
I
room.
did what they said. One with white. What's that?
Ay, edit. Ako galing sa man. Pero maliban naman lang sa pato mga kapitid.
My luck.
Ija, pwede may ka cellphone. Pakita na kung ering.
Di ba you're older than my brother? But
Oh.
he's Age is older than Yonghi, but he's taller than him.
Yes.
And
Very
Tita
cute.
Lia's younger than
Diba?
Mama. Huh?
What's this name?
Cute.
Country,
This is tikal.
Asa?
Tita Lia is younger than Mama, but she's taller than Mama.
Look at my cat and my
Your
face.
your is
This one cat.
Mama. Your mama. Your mama, but very small.
but
Say
you're
that,
older
look.
than
EG, very small.
oh yeah.
Yung fish.
I think that was the second to the last.
Yes.
Second to the
And
last. She's older.
why is
Tita
how
Munet.
Di, pakita ko itong iring nga kanang bagay. Inom good.
Oh, Tita Munet.
you're older than my
Ano ito one? So
older.
cute cat.
I wish I could touch that cat.
No, Tita Munet middle.
So fluffy.
Oh, this one, oh.
Kuya Jack. Tito Jack.
Yeah.
Mom, your mama.
I wish my cat could
And
that
then
big.
Munet. Tita
Yeah, you
Munet.
got here.
And then me. And then EG.
You're older than Yohi, but
Oh,
One
big eyes.
one and fifth.
Hello.
One in fifth, two fifth.
Legit.
then Yohi's taller than you.
Look.
That was oldest one.
Meow, meow.
Youngest.
Meow.
That's why.
Look
Let me
at the friend.
Serena.
And I thought Mama is the second to the last.
My cat has so many enemies.
You think how old is your mom?
26.
Yatis. 36?
Yohi's shorter than me before. And now he's taller than me.
You know her birthday.
You know this one? This is
What you give to her?
a big deal, you know, a big deal. This is a big deal. You know, a big deal.
Papa.
What is the big
Ano
deal?
lagi?
That's I got my money from Papa.
Yes.
Mama's money. That's also from Papa.
Well, where did they went?
Siya also, your
When
mama
did they not Abby went now?
Where?
From her.
Yeah, where's they now?
In tag room.
Kind of like
Kami ang basa na eh. Madami na lang
this is Mama's money from Papa. From
So,
her.
should I want to see them forever?
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm
You know, Leo?
But not. But I might see you again at Tuesday.
because I want them. Mama got the thousand.
Yes.
Ina kami.
Okay.
Nagawan po ihisip kami.
Yes sir. Wala po kasi ka-brown out po kasi kanina sir.
Okay.
Lagi po nagsasabi kayo.
Why moving? Look the boat. And close your eyes.
Pero ngayon sir, kakabalik lang po. Follow up ko na lang po sir. Ay, lang kita sir.
Lumana tikal? Lumana tikal see me tomorrow.
Uy.
Yun, pong. Bitter.
Ito kami na, oh.